In the previous episode, we discussed about cosine rule. Cosine rule is cos A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared by 2BC. For calculating angle A. For calculating angle B, it takes the form of A squared plus C squared minus B squared by 2AC. For calculating C, it takes the form of A squared plus B squared minus C squared by 2AB. In episode 1, we learned to move figures from left of is equal to right of is equal to. We use the same technique here. We can rewrite cos A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared by 2BC as A is equal to square root of B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Here 2BC goes this side and becomes 2BC cos A. Here minus A squared comes to this side and becomes plus A squared. This 2BC cos A goes to that side and changes its sign. So B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A is equal to A squared. So A is equal to square root of B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. In the same way, side B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. And side C is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. If cosine rule is in this form, we can calculate the included angle. If cosine rule is in this form, we can calculate the side opposite the angle. So cosine rule is used for unknown angle or unknown side. Let's take the previous example, the previous triangle ABC. Side A is 700, side B is 550, side C is 500. Angle C is equal to 45.207 1662977. We arrived at this figure in episode number 3. Now we'll calculate AB. We know this angle. So we calculate this side opposite angle C. We don't know this side 500. Now we have to calculate this 500 with the data given, angle C, AC and CB, angle C and B and A. So we know all these values. So C, this is 500 is C, we don't know this 500. C is equal to A squared, we know A squared, B squared, we know B squared, minus 2AB cos C, we know C. So we can calculate cos C. So this is equal to A squared 700 square, B squared 500 square, 550 square, minus 2AB 2 into 700 into 550 into cos 45.207 207,166,2977. So by simplifying this, we'll get square root of 490,000 plus 302,500 minus 770,000 into 0.704545455. By simplifying this expression, we get exactly 500 as before. This 500 we get. So, cosine rule is used for calculating an angle or for calculating a side. This cosine rule is very important in surveying, and we will come across so many times the problem of solving sides or angles. So, a triangle is fully defined if its two sides and their included angle are given. Cosine rule formula can be used to calculate not only angle but also side of a triangle.